So next we need to add our axis headings. Again, if you're on a Macintosh, you might have to look around for how to add these. You might have to right click on the graph itself. But assuming you're on a Windows version of Excel, when you click on your graph, you're going to see this plus sign pop out, and you're going to have different chart element options to add, right? So what we want to do is we want to add our axis titles, right? And then we will just add in our headings. So for the horizontal axis titles, this is the number of students with each blood type. You could also write frequency here. And then the vertical axis title, those are our different blood types. That's all there is to it. It automatically puts the text in the direction that you want. If you wanted to add data labels, you could add those on again by selecting it there. That's not required for our graphs.